when you were buying your home a long time ago, you said you took gold, converted it into cash to purchase your home. That's weird. Can you talk to me about that process? Because I think gold is worthless and it doesn't do anything.
So I actually sold some of my gold to buy an investment property, not the house I live in today, but I wanted a rental unit in the town that I live in because it's high demand. It's a beautiful mountain town, very close to Whistler. And a couple of years ago, a property that I loved came on the market, and I learned through the grapevine that the seller was in a bit of distress and in a bit of a rush. So I put in a lowball offer. I didn't expect it to close, and it closed that day. And so I found myself actually a bit short on liquidity for the timeline I had available to me. And so I took physical gold from my holding, liquidated that, instead of going for a loan or going for bridge loan, wrote myself a promissory note. I'm borrowing X, and I wrote it in ounces, X ounces from the Bank of J. Martin for purchase of this property. And I had to pay that loan back. I think I gave myself 6-month terms, and the fee wasn't interest. The fee was a few gold ounces over and above what I borrowed from the safe. This is a trick I learned from Rick Rule. He employed that back when he was my age. And so I suddenly have been acquiring physical gold in the event that you ever need to act like your own central bank. And then I just had the opportunity to. And so I actioned that and followed that protocol identically. And it was super empowering because I didn't have to lean on external leverage or capital. I was able to borrow from the Bank of J. Martin, but if you didn't pay yourself back, there's zero recourse. So this is all kind of fictitious. And like, well, you're not wrong there, except that you have to wake up the next morning, look at yourself in the mirror, and look at a person who didn't do what they said they were going to do. And that's a penalty in itself. So I think there is actually significant recourse just from an integrity standpoint.